Hey, Arizona Rose Creations again. I just have another flip through of a journal here. This is a birds and butterfly theme. Here's the front. It's got this three-dimensional nest with eggs in it, and then this butterfly here. And then here's the spine. We got a cage and a butterfly here with some dangles. And the back has this pretty bird and butterfly with some wording here. It's a cute little story. And then over here we've got some tabs that are just lace tabs. Alright, let's get inside it. Alright. To start with, we have this, and this is a lovely pocket. You can put something back in here, and it also opens up here, and you can put stuff inside. It's full of a lot of beautiful pictures. And this is an old song called Grandma's Bluebird. That was appropriate. Plenty of places to write. Some birds down here. There's a little tuck spot with a pretty little tag. You could write on the back of that. And there's a pocket here. You tuck a bunch of stuff in there. Tuck tickets and pictures and whatnot. Some nests, lovely little details here. And here's a card. This is so pretty. I thought these were such beautiful cards. And it opens up and you can write in here for journaling. It just slips right back in. Another tuck spot, a little note, journaling card, another pocket, it's cute little cards in it. You can see that, it's cute. More tuck spots, notes. It has some little envelopes that also have some cards in them. Goes in there. Stuck. It goes in there. To work on that. And beautiful pictures. Tag. These songs are actually from September 1931 here. You can see. Really old. Careless Ease. Oops, missed a page. Plays with more cards. Lots of die-cut butterflies. More cards and tuck spots. Loads of places for journaling. Another one of those beautiful cards. I'm going to tuck something in here. Those envelopes, the cards in it. They're just hard to open and close from this angle, but I've done it before and it works fine. And then it closes with another beautiful envelope here, where you can tuck a bunch of stuff in. And also, it does, you can tuck it in back here too. Alright, and that's the journal. I'll have that available in the Etsy shop if anyone's interested. Thank you for looking. Bye.